Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. Today in this video I'm going to review the trade I took on EU on Friday. I will explain it, why I took it, why I was looking for that trade, and everything in this. So on Friday I shared a trade. Let me show you here. There it is. There's the trade, and I'm going to explain the idea behind it, why I was looking for it, why my bias was bearish. So let's get into daily chart first. You see here we have tapped into this monthly fair value gap and reacted off it, as you can see here. Then if we see, the order flow is clearly bearish, so price is going into fair value gaps and rejecting. It's going to order blocks and rejecting, right? And if I go to the 4-hour chart, we will see the same thing happening there as well. It goes to fair value gaps and reject, like here, here, and here. So it means that the order flow is clearly bearish and we want to look for lower prices. Now, even if the order flow is bearish, and no matter how bearish a month is gonna be or a week is gonna be, there are going to be bullish days as well, or bullish weeks as well in a month. So the last week was actually a bullish weekend. It was the first week of the month. This was the weekly open here, and price came down, then went back up, and on Thursday it created the high of the week. Usually when we have a bullish or a bearish week, it's most likely that Thursday and Friday is going to create the high of the week or low of the week. And in Thursday and Friday, it's more likely that Thursday is going to make the high of the week and Friday will reverse back into the weekly range. So let me mark the weekly range. So this was the weekly range. So this was the low and this was the high, and that high was created on the Thursday. Then on Friday, if you see here, this is the Friday, price came back down into the weekly range. So this was the weekly range, price was going up. Now on Friday it retraced back. This is why I was looking for bearish prices, or my bias was bullish or bearish. So if I go into the 1-hour chart now, right here, you can see that price went up right here and it left these these low resistance liquidity and created an SMT with GU. Let me remove this vertical line, and it created an SMT with the GU. So that kind of gave me a more stronger confluence that yeah, it's going to go lower. EU was not willing to go higher while GU was. So that's why I was looking for bearish prices. So let me explain it again, why I was looking for this bearish trade. So the first thing is the weekly range and the day. So Friday, it was Friday, and Fridays are supposed to go back into the weekly range. Most likely it's gonna do that, right? And the second thing is that we got an SMT. We got an SMT with GU. So both of these things gave me a confidence that yeah, we are going lower. And the execution was on the 1-minute chart. So let me go to the 1-minute chart right here. So you can see that price took this high right here and showed reaction from it, and then it made this market structure shift right here. This was the market structure shift, and you can see the displacement right here. So I entered on the close of this candle and put my stop loss above here, and the target was based on the phantom strategy. You guys may know Phantom ICT. He's a guy on Twitter and YouTube as well. He has a forex strategy. I used that strategy for selecting my target. So that was a fixed 3-hour. So I will also link his strategy in the description, right? So I chose my target based off it, and you can see that it hit my 3-hour profit target. And so this was all the reason behind the trade idea, and why I was looking for lower prices. If you guys want me to explain the weekly templates, I can make a video on that as well, because that helps me a lot in developing my bias. If you guys have any questions related my trading strategy or how I trade, you guys can ask me on Discord. So join my Discord server, link in the description, and you can directly contact me and ask me questions and I will answer you. So that will help you a lot if you want to learn these things. And if you enjoyed this video or learned something from it, please make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends.